Hello everyone! Maray-maray mo pagod na singing Christmas in our hearts. With a twist. Hope you like it, guys. I never see girls and boys selling lanterns in the street. No more selling this time. There are more virus everywhere. May COVID na kag Delta, Alpha, Beta kag Lambda. I believe this virus is spreading everywhere. Let's have our vaccine na for a brighter tomorrow, where nations are at peace and all should be vaccinated. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy virus-free. This season may we never forget. PhilHealth naman gainarte. If the government will give us ang ayuda kag SRA, kag may bonus sa Disyembre, ang life okay. In every vaccine and every health, the community unites, so we can celebrate birthday pista kaglamay. Let's don our vaccine na para COVID untat na, para lagaw na kita upod mga barkada. So come and register. Come and have for fully vaccine with one big joyful voice. Yes to vaccine, no to virus. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget. Love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another New Year starts, and may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Let's sing